Very good job using your spoon. Is that yogurt yummy? You're going to be a lefty? Mmm. Is that good? It's the first time you're using a spoon to feed yourself. What a big girl. Good job. Is that yummy? Uh-oh, let me help you. Let's keep it on the tray. Oh, nice. Nice big bite. How about keeping the spoon over the tray? That'd be great. Got some yogurt on your chest. Can I get the yogurt on your chest? Can I see your spoon for just a minute? Looky. Look at that. There you go. There you go. You're supposed to take bites. Put it in your mouth. Take bites. Get a bite. Oh, baby. What you doing there, Lefty? Can you take a bite from Mommy? Show Mommy how to take a bite. Num num. Can I help you get a bite? Taste it. Let's clean off your face a little bit. Peach yogurt. You do it? Okay, you do it. Here, hold the spoon. Good girl. You did it. I know. I can barely feed you anymore. You don't want me to. I know. Are you too big for Mommy to feed now? Livy, are you too big now? Are you all done? Yay! More. Well, you have more. It's in here. There's more in there. You can have more. You're supposed to put it in your mouth, though. Are you watching TV?